Guys, welcome back to another video here in my channel. So for today we will do a quick unboxing. So binili ko to nung isang araw and I think naka-sale siya. Shanan! So sana okay yung ano niya, yung product. So before further ado, let's get into it. We have this. Yung packaging niya, mukhang okay naman. Let's see sa loob. Malalaman lang natin na okay yung packaging kapag okay yung laman. So, tada! We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, naka-sale siya. And tingnan natin kung maayos naman yung amoy niya. So, ito. Tingnan natin. Okay. Maganda yung box niya actually. Oh. For men. Saks lang. Okay. Thank you so much guys for watching. That's it for now. So, bye for now.